Struggling with condensate drain issues like gurgling and backflow? You're not alone, and there's a way to fix it without just digging a deeper P-trap. So, here's the thing about condensate drains. They need a proper slope to keep water flowing smoothly out of your HVAC system. Usually, you want that continuous drop of about 1/8 to 1/4 inch per foot, so gravity does its job without any hiccups. If your P-trap is shallow or gets blown through by air pressure, it won't hold water properly, causing that annoying gurgling noise and sometimes even water backing up. Instead of just making the trap deeper, some techs try creative fixes, like creating a longer P-trap section by letting the pipe sag or bow. That can help water sit in the pipe longer, but it might also cause other problems like clogs or code violations since the pipe isn't sloped correctly. To keep things flowing right, make sure the trap holds water without any air pressure pushing through, and that the pipe follows local plumbing codes for slope and length. If you're capping outlets or measuring static pressure in your HVAC system, always check that you're not causing extra pressure or drainage issues downstream. If you're stuck, taking measurements and consulting with a pro or looking up local codes can save you a lot of headaches and money. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condensate drains is ignoring the correct pipe slope, which causes water to pool and leads to clogs or mold growth. Fix that by ensuring a steady downward pitch of 1/8 to 1/4 inch per foot. Another problem is installing P-traps that are too shallow or too short, so air pressure blows through them, letting smells or gurgles escape. Using a properly sized and placed trap is the way to go. Lastly, some try to hack fixes by bending pipes into long bows or loops that create standing water spots but don't follow plumbing codes. This can cause clogs fast and might fail inspections, so always stick to code-compliant installations with smooth, continuous slopes. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid way to find trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to handling home fixes like drainage or HVAC repairs. If you're a contractor looking for steady work, BigHomeProjects.com helps connect you with homeowners ready to get projects done right without hassle.